Okay, so we'll finish our last example here in lesson 11 then. This one says determine the function that models the data in the table that does not involve a horizontal translation. Now again, this time the information is presented in table form, and it's up to you, but you might find it helpful to create a little bit of a sketch of that data first, okay? So what we have here is a graph that ranges from, as we can see, 5 to 9 from the table, in the table. So let's mark off 5 and 9 and 7 on our y-axis. So we have a point of 0, 9. Then at 45 degrees, we have a value of 7. And then 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 180 degrees, 225 degrees, 270 degrees. Okay, and let's fill in the rest of the points. (225) and 7, 270 and 5. So our axis goes across at y equals 7. Okay, and then we have sort of this curve, looks like so. Okay. Now it says determine a function that models the data with no horizontal translation. So what I would do is start then right at this first max point, which is on the y-axis, and find an equation for this curve then as a cosine function. Because in order to find the equation as a sine function, I would have to start at this point, and then I would have a phase shift or a horizontal translation. Okay, so it has to be a cosine function. We can find the k value by dividing 360 degrees by the period of the graph, which will, by the way, be the distance between two max points, so 9 and 9. So I can see even from the table that the period of the graph is 180 degrees. So the k value will be 2. The a value is also 2, positive 2, because we're starting at a max point, not a min. And the vertical shift is up 7, so c will be 7. So we'll put those into our equation, and it will become y equals 2 times cos 2x plus 7. And that's the end of this lesson.